a great choice today with the 2020 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.